We are facing a climate emergency, and in an emergency, we need to get things done. So what can Northern Ireland Water deliver to help? In summary, Northern Ireland Water can play a strategically important role in helping society to decarbonise by planting 1 million trees, helping to reduce Northern Ireland's requirement for fossil fuel-generated electricity by building more renewables on its land, playing a pivotal role in doubling Northern Ireland's renewable generating capacity, opening a network of green fuel stations to kickstart our hydrogen economy, helping the gas network remain relevant in a decarbonising world, providing sources of warmth for district heating schemes. And we can make nearly all of this happen using third-party funding, whilst at the same time lowering costs for water and electricity customers. In this video, we are going to consider how NI Water can play a pivotal role in doubling Northern Ireland's renewable generating capacity. Northern Ireland will require a substantial increase in the supply of green electricity. In fact, we will have to double our capacity to generate renewable energy, just as our neighbours plan to do. We will need this for the electric vehicles we must adopt and to start decarbonising the heating for our homes and places of work. To address the intermittency that comes with this renewable energy, we are going to need more system services. These services will help ensure a consistent supply of electricity using batteries and generators at key points on the grid. With our 3,000 widely distributed grid-connected sites, ability to change our consumption profile, and our need for generators for resilience at all major works, Northern Ireland Water has a unique profile, and this makes it likely we will have a pivotal role in doubling Northern Ireland's renewable energy capacity. Only large private energy companies could match Northern Ireland Water's capability to provide these services. But to do so, those companies would need to acquire suitable sites, obtain authority for large grid connections, and deploy the assets to deliver the system services. This would be both expensive and challenging, given the major electricity network constraints that exist. The expense would also mean increasing customers' electricity bills, and it is highly likely that the money paid for these services would flow out of Northern Ireland and back to the shareholders of these large private energy companies. There is, however, a lower-cost alternative for electricity customers, one that also keeps the money in the local economy and lowers the cost of water services, and it will not require customers to pay to duplicate assets, a feature that should appeal to the joint regulator for both electricity and water. With our existing network of grid-connected sites, ability to change our consumption profile, and our requirement to have generators for resilience, Northern Ireland Water represents a better value-for-money option for providing these services. This would deliver a valuable income for Northern Ireland Water. In the last 2 years, our income from system services has increased from £100,000 to nearly £600,000 per annum. But the income opportunity ahead is much bigger, in the range of £3 million to £4 million per annum. With our lower cost base, Northern Ireland Water would compete strongly in this system services market. Whilst third-party funding can be found, the attractive savings that can be made may mean that Northern Ireland's government choose to fund this investment themselves. The very rough order of magnitude estimate for investing in batteries to replace our diesel generators, many of which are approaching end of life, is £15 to £20 million. The estimated payback on such an investment is 5 to 6 years. A phased multi-year investment in this battery technology, which will become necessary in any event, will deliver a significant system service income that lowers costs for water services and financial support required for Northern Ireland Water. At a time of huge pressure on Stormont's budgets and the very real prospect of lower costs for electricity and water customers, this is an investment that is worthy of careful consideration. NI Water, delivering what matters.